What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new and you've never seen my face before, hi, my name is Ash and this is my channel, Living Ash. Now it is 12:04. I don't know if you guys can see that. My phone is always on do not disturb. I'm just not a phone person. It's time for me to get ready for bed. I've been filming videos all day. I had a doctor's appointment this morning. It's a semi-busy day. I wouldn't say it was like crazy busy. I want to do like a nighttime routine video for you guys. Now, a lot of you guys liked my hygiene routine, which I had a lot of fun filming. So I decided I'd do a little, you know, nighttime routine and just show you guys what I do to get ready for bed. So right now I'm going to clean my room. I like to go to bed with a really clean space. There's something about waking up to a really neat room, just knowing that things are in place. Like, I don't know, when I wake up and everything's like out of order, I feel like my day is already off to a bad start. So I'm gonna show you guys what my room kind of looks like right now. This is my idea of a messy room. This is just a room where the day has just taken over. So I'm gonna share that with you guys, and I'm gonna do like a clean with me type of thing. So right here I have clothes right here that I took out to do my Shein clothing haul, which is going to be up on my channel soon. My bed's kind of messy because I just used this to kind of prop up my camera. I have my iPad out. Over here I have some Victoria's Secret bags and pink bags on the floor and stuff like that. There's a shirt I need to pick up and, you know, do that. These drawers need to be organized really fast. Up here needs to be organized. That's really it. So this is the before, and let's montage me cleaning it up. Why I'm holding the camera up this high, but I am finally done. This is the bed. Like, normally, since this is a nighttime routine, like, this is how I kind of keep my bed at night. Like, I'll keep one pillow over here, and then I'll just keep this side with a whole bunch of pillows because I just don't like to feel so empty on the bed. So that's really what the bed looks like at night. And then I have my robe here. I'm about to put that on. I cleaned off my vanity, you know, makeup gets on it and everything, so I just wiped that down. And of course over here, you know, everything was kind of like not organized, so that's that. I have some Victoria's Secret bags over here. I just filmed with them today, so I have to figure out a place to put those new things. And yeah, so the room is pretty much clean, and I really feel like I can wake up tomorrow and just feel like everything is in a good place, and I know where things are, and I feel like, you know, I feel organized and good to go. So now we're gonna go in the bathroom, and that's pretty much where I'm gonna continue the video. And we're gonna actually clean that up too because it's a little out of order too. And I'm gonna take this makeup off of my face. But I also wanna show you guys a quick little thing for those of you who have oily skin. Here, let me turn on my ring light. I'm wasting an oil sheet right now, but I just wanted to show you because I wasn't put onto this, and I'm really happy these girls put me onto it at a job that I was working. But these are oil sheets, okay? They're called oil blotting tissues. And if you have oily skin, especially, listen, like my skin is so oily. Like, I'll wake up, put on my makeup, and I'm good, but then the minute I walk outside, my skin is already like drenched. I take one of these sheets. I've had this for like over a year, okay? Like, they last a long time. I got them on Amazon, by the way. I just blot my face. just blot it. And it doesn't take off your makeup. It doesn't do anything. If anything, it renews your makeup and makes everything fresh and clean. And obviously, like, I still powder my face, but this helps so much. Like, all the oil just comes right off, you guys. And I go on my eyebrows. It doesn't take off my eyebrow makeup either. I go on my nose. Make sure you're just blotting it. And guys, look at this. It's like gross, but like you can see like a little bit, but that's just oil, okay? It's just straight oil. I'm telling you, these work. Like, my skin is so oily. I struggle with oily skin. Get you some oil sheets. But let's go take this makeup off and get ready for bed. So this is what happens throughout the day in my bathroom. I'm just super quick to like take things out and don't put things back. But this is before and after. So yeah, I just pretty much cleaned up the sink, made sure everything's nice. Now, yes, let's take off my makeup. Normally when I come in here, the first thing I do is put my hair up. I know a lot of girls, especially with big hair, like I can't do much with my hair being down like that and in my way. So I'm gonna just put it in a bun. It's not a cute bun, I promise y'all, it's not gonna be cute. That is my bun, and now I'm going to take off my makeup. Now I'm going to show you guys what I use to take off my makeup. This is the Body Shop chamomile, however y'all want to say it. This is makeup remover. It's a cleansing butter, so it looks like this. I haven't used makeup wipes in a few weeks actually, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to take about like 3 cotton balls and get off what I can with this. It's pretty much gone. 3 cotton balls. I'm going to use this Yes to micellar water just to like get off any like excess stuff on my face. To make sure I'm like really getting everything okay. So now that my makeup is off, it's time to get in the shower. I usually wash my mascara off with the water in the shower. It just comes off easier that way, and I'm gonna see you guys when I get out of the shower. I'm fresh out the shower, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm using. Right now I'm using this Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. If you watch my hygiene routine video, I was using the lavender scent, but this one is the baby unscented, and I really like this one, so I've been using this. I'm also using this Bodycology soap right here. I really like this one. It's in a coconut hibiscus. And I'm also using a carbolic soap. This one is antibacterial, and it's from Jamaica. Let me also put y'all on to this body scrub. This is from the Body Shop. This is Berry Bonbon, and let me tell you guys, this made my skin feel so baby soft and smooth. What I used to wash my face was this Boscia Detoxifying Black Cleanser. I really like this, and it heats while applying on your face, so I thought this was really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much all I used tonight. Alright, so before I finish everything, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm using. This is what I use on my face. This is the Olay Firming Night Cream. So I use this on my face. When I open it up, it has a pink tint to it. I really like it, and I've used this for a few weeks now, and I love it. For my dark spots, I use the Miracle Skin Tea Tree Clarifying Face Oil, and I'll finish off with my Cocoa Calming Face Mist. Now for moisture on my body, tonight I use the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and my Dove. I only use this on my butt, but this I used all over, and I'm going to finish off for scent with the Wild Madagascar Vanilla and Wild Madagascar Vanilla Fine Fragrance Mist, because I don't spray heavy perfumes to go to sleep, but this is not too strong and I can sleep with this and be fine with this. Alright, so I'm pretty much ready for bed, so now I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to use my Colgate toothpaste that needs to go. I'm going to be using this TheraBreath dentist formulated fresh breath oral rinse for 24-hour freshness. For those of you who don't know, I wear retainers, so every night I have to clean my retainers and put them in. And that's it, guys. My mouth is clean and I'm ready for bed. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm ready for bed, I'm going to put on some moisturizer on my lips. I cannot go to bed with my lips being dry. This is the moisturizer I'm using. This is the Vaseline Lip Therapy in the scent Creme Brulee. And I normally keep them by my bed in case I'm up kind of later than expected. I'll just reapply. And after, because I already put on lotion, I usually just brush my teeth after I put on my lotion and stuff. I'll then put on hand cream. I love hand cream. I didn't even think about using hand cream until like about a year and a half ago, and I use this all the time. Like, my hands feel so dry after, you know, being in water and all that. So this scent is In the Stars from Bath and Body Works. If you guys can see that, I'll probably hold it like this. So what I need to do is blow out these candles. So I'm gonna turn off my light. This needs to be off too. But I don't like a dark room, so I always keep a light on in the corner over there. If you guys can see, if the camera will focus on this. And that's really how I sleep. I don't like darkness. So normally at night, because this is my time to relax, I always have my Bible open by my bed. On a really good night, I'll be able to take my Bible and just read it and do some Bible study in my room. And this usually just helps calm me down. It's just a really good way to end the night. So I'll read my Bible. If I'm not reading my Bible at night, I'll usually find a YouTube video or something where I can like hear the word of God at night and listen to that, because that's really important for me to like end my day and start my day with the word of God, and just, you know, using that to just fuel me and, you know, be with me when I'm sleeping and everything like that. Like, that's just a foundation for me. So that's really it, guys. I'm gonna really just relax in the bed and, you know, pray, say my prayers. And I really appreciate you guys watching this nighttime routine. This is really realistic. Like, this is what I do every single night. So if you really enjoyed the video, give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and become a part of the family. It is amazing. I really love all of you guys. And leave a comment down below. I love talking to you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.